Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, we are going to show you how to access Duolingo Music. Yes, you have heard that right, Duolingo Music. Recently, Duolingo has made an update of their Duolingo Music. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Duolingo app and make sure you have logged in into your account and head over to the specific language you are just getting lessons of, and it will be found on the upper left corner. And there you can see there are math and music courses too. So click on music. Now Duolingo will ask you some questions like, do you have any music experience? Like, or I learned some music but it was too long time ago. I have some music skills and I want to keep sharp. So I'm just clicking on new to music. Click on continue. Now it's just letting us know that let's pick a starting point. You can change this letter. And in section 1, play your first notes and songs. And in section 2, play songs with white keys. And section 3, play songs with black keys. So we are going to section 1 as we are a newbie. So click on continue. And yeah, it's set up. Let's start the very first beginning. Skip to the harder lessons anytime. So click on continue. And now goes your Duolingo Music. Here you can just click on the notes. And yeah, this is how the note goes. C and U D. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.